Good morning. Today is Thursday, May 7th. Let's take a look at our daily planner. Today for math, we are going to do a check-in for our module 1 that we've been working on, and it's called Number Patterns Checkpoint, and it's in the May 7th folder. For reading, we're going to continue on with Wood's Runner with chapter 14, and you're going to notice instead of doing just the discussion thread, there is an actual response that you need to do, response worksheet. So then you're going to upload that response worksheet to the discussion thread for Woods Runner chapter 14. I want to continue to see your awesome faces at the 1 o'clock live meeting for the Act 3 of the Second Continental Congress. So make sure that you look for your roles, your date, and your time, and show up. Everyone is coming, whether you are presenting or not, at 1 o'clock tomorrow. For your writing real-time journal, continue to work on those journal entries and make sure that there is a minimum of 3 journal entries by the end of the week. Social studies, again, no new learning, but I did not have anybody show up today or yesterday for the project. So I need to make sure that if you didn't present on your day or time on Tuesday, that you come during my office hours and present your project. For science, again, no new learning, but make sure that you're going back and looking at the last few weeks if you are missing an assignment, and make sure you come to my office hours if you have a question about science. The question of the day is tell your favorite joke or riddle. And office hours, don't forget, this week have changed from 11 to 12 instead of 10:30 to 11:30. So make sure you're joining me at office hours if you have a question or just want to stop by and say hi. Live lesson at 1, and I will see you then.